screaming at me and using derogatory terms as he was hitting me.
Tonight, an Albuquerque man is still recovering after a violent attack. Investigators say his neighbor, 34-year-old Joshua Lopez, brutally beat him, sending him to the hospital. The attack was seen as a hate crime, and today a judge decided if Lopez is too violent to be out in public. Tamara Lopez watched that hearing for us. Tamara, we know Lopez has had cases against him dismissed in the past for competency issues. How did that factor into the judge's decision today?
Well, Julie, the state mentioned at least 2 cases against Lopez, one where he beat up his sister and another where he threw a cement block at an Albuquerque Police Department car. While these cases were thrown out, they were enough for the judge to make a decision on if Lopez should be released.
State's Exhibit 1 is the defendant's New Mexico criminal history. It dates back to 2006.
Friday, before a judge, the state laid out a lot of evidence showing just how violent Joshua Lopez can be. While a few of those cases were dismissed for competency, for his latest victim, Anthony Pino, that doesn't mean much.
And I feel bad for his family that they have to go through that, but that's not mine. Their family member, Josh, attacked me. And he's done that before. He's circled and tried to make people's lives miserable around here.
Lopez is charged with a hate crime after beating Pino at their apartment complex back in June.
The state will provide reliable information that indicates the defendant may be likely to pose a threat to the safety of others if released pending trial, and that there aren't any potential pretrial release conditions that will reasonably protect the safety of others.
After hearing what Lopez had done to Pino and the other violent offenses, Judge Stan Whitaker agreed with the state, saying there were no conditions the court could set that would keep the public safe from Lopez. Pino says he's still struggling with the aftermath of Lopez's attack on him.
I'm having nightmares, I'm tossing and turning. I don't really want to talk to anybody. I've been self-isolating. I do not want to be in public.
Lopez will remain behind bars until his trial.
Now, at the time of the attack, Pino was trying to stop Lopez from harassing a neighbor, and he says when he stepped in, that's when Lopez turned on him. A court date has not been set for Lopez's trial yet. Back to you.
Tamara, thank you.